Hi, I'm Rebecca. I have problem 5-7, and I'm going to show you how I did it. To figure out Blossom's sales return and allowances, what you're going to want to do is subtract our net sales from the sales revenue. So we're going to go equals and then in order to find gross profit, you're going to subtract your net sales and cost of goods sold, or your cost of goods sold from sold. Can't say that very well. You're going to subtract your cost of goods sold from your net sales to find your gross profit. Not that great at Excel, but it's alright. So, and then we're going to want to figure out our net income, which is our gross profit minus our operating expenses. Let me just make sure those are correct. So we got 1626 and 1148. Okay, and then we're going to go, in order to find sales revenue, we're going to add these two together. The sales return and allowance and the sales revenue. No, net sales. So, right here, equals plus, so 113,000 plus 6,000. We're going to get 19,000. And then in order to find our cost of goods sold, we're going to subtract 113,000 by 50,000. And we know that because it's the same thing. It's the same process as subtracting our cost of goods sold from our gross profit, or the other way around, our gross profit from our cost of goods sold. And if you add these two together, if you add these two together, you're going to get these two. So cost of goods sold and gross profit, we're going to get our net sales. So this one, subtract that one. We're going to get 63,000. And then right here, we're basically we're going to take our net income and subtract it from our gross profit to get our operating expenses. Just make sure real quick. Yep. 463. Okay. And now we need to find our gross profit, or gross profit rate, and our profit margin rate. And so I put the formulas right here to make it easier. So we're going to take our net income which is net income. And we're going to divide it by our net sales. And I already had clicked percent on there, so it knew to turn into percent. If you don't put percent, it's going to be a decimal. So, and then we got our gross profit divided by our net sales. So we got to put an equal. Gross profit, and then divide it by our net sales. We get 31.8%. And the reason why it went to 1 to the 10th place is because I had already adjusted it. So initially, you'll see it's already in percent. But initially it'll round to the nearest whole percent, but they want us to do 1%, 1 decimal in. So we do the same thing here. We're gonna take our net income, here, and we're gonna divide it by our net sales. Nope, not that one. This is our net sales. It's very important to make sure you put the right numbers in or you're going to get the wrong answer. I've done that a lot. So then it's our gross profit divided by our net sales. And then, so 14%, 31.8%, 12.9, and 44.2. I hope that helps and it's not confusing for you. If you have any questions, I can try and help. Okay, thank you.